Lighthouse, perched on a rocky outcrop at the southern tip of Dutch Island in the west passage of Narragansett Bay. The first light tower was built in this location in 1826 and was constructed of locally collected slate and fieldstone, and in 1857 was replaced by the current tower and attached keeper's quarters. The lighthouse preserve consisted of 6 acres of land held separate from the rest of the island, and included its own sheltered cove, dock, and several storage sheds. Today, all we see remaining are the light tower, oil shed, the foundation of the water cistern, and several half-submerged dock pilings, which are all that remain of the dock. In 1863, lightkeepers were there to see the 14th Rhode Island Heavy Artillery Regiment begin construction on several gun emplacements just north of the Lighthouse Preserve. Early accounts say the lightkeeper and family avoided contact with the troops of what was then named Camp Bailey, possibly because of smallpox outbreaks and an extremely cold winter, which in those early years claimed the lives of 16 men on the island. In 1943, the days of the live-in lightkeepers on Dutch Island came to an end when the light was fully automated. For 17 years, the keepers' quarters sat empty and decaying until they were demolished by the Coast Guard in 1960, leaving only the light tower and the oil shed, with the foundation of the old water cistern in between. In 1979, vandals put the light out of commission, and the Coast Guard decided it would never be lit again. In 2000, the private organization, the Dutch Island Lighthouse Society, was formed to take on the task of restoration and preservation of the light. In 2007, the fully restored tower was activated as a private aid to navigation, and in 2012, an endowment fund financed by charitable donations was established to allow for continued maintenance of the lighthouse. All of my prints shown here are available for purchase. The creator of this video is not associated with any organizations mentioned herein. Please see the comments on this video's Vimeo or YouTube page for relevant links.